Right, so what I've got here is a broadband router which I suspect was damaged in a thunderstorm. It doesn't boot up, works fine as a network hub, but when you power it on you just get a brief flash of lights, as you can see, and then the lock indicator stays with it. That's all it does. So I'll take it apart and see if there's any damage, which, as you can see, there doesn't appear to be much. So I've already probed around inside at this point and determined the microcontroller isn't booting. So I think what we'll do is we'll blow it up. So I'll start by increasing the 12 volt supply. So, I don't know, say 30 volts and see what happens. Oh, there we go. Cranking the voltage up slowly. And no smoke. Oh, here we go. Well, this is a better idea. Oof. Increasing the supply voltage to 30 volts doesn't do anything, so this is much more fun. Oh dear. That's 24 volts at 5 amps. I'm putting it to the board there. So it's not mains, as it would suggest. Even though those mains input capacitors are at 16 volts, they wouldn't go bang, even in 30 volts. Even if you try reversing the polarity. I think it's got some sort of reverse polarity protection, so yeah, we'll just have fun doing this instead. See how much magic smoke we can get out of it. Blow a nail in the chip. We bust it. Well, I think that's sufficiently knackered for now. That was enough fun for the day, I think. Thanks for watching.